Wolf puppies! We have many announcements today. So, 1, Hailey is still here.
But I'm sick.
But she's ill. Next announcement, we broke 3,000 subscribers! As usual, thank you so much for deciding to subscribe to this account to watch people routinely just scream about the same television show over and over and over again. We never really anticipated this, but we couldn't be happier, and thank you so much. Other announcement, the copyright strike is over. It expired! Thank you for bearing with us for that intense period of time, but now we have the second half of season 5B that we can just go through with video and hopefully it'll be okay. Speaking of the second half of 5B, let's watch the second part of Escape from Eichen. I'm Brittney.
I'm Hillary. I'm Hailey.
And this is Teen Wolf, season 5, episode 16, Liability. Shot again. Great start. Styles.
The guy's on fire.
The guy's on fire. Hey, Tracy. No, babe. Oh no, babe.
Why you know
babe? Oh. Okay, you got off easy. He didn't flame throw you. Ah! Oh wait, that was the overtime. That's still really not great.
Sorry, Stydia.
They should not find attractive. Add to the list. True javelin man. I can't even imagine where this episode's gonna go if this clip is in the first 5 minutes, like pre-theme songs. Fuck you.
Oh god.
No. This makes me super uncomfortable.
Oh my god. I'm not okay with this.
Sprayberry is still underage, and I don't want to watch this.
Also, they were like not in a great healthy place.
Yeah, they're still not in a great healthy place.
So...
Lighting department, as much as I complained to you about Theo, like, you're doing wonders for Gideon. That's been a great shot of him in this episode. A+. Boring conversation anyway. Look, we're gonna have company. Straight up yes! Straight up Han Solo! So glad that you were going there.
He doesn't care.
Then follow him, dickwad!
I don't understand.
No, you needed to stand in the doorway and scream at him for a couple seconds to be dramatic. Stop being such a drama queen.
I can't control this. I'm never gonna be able to. It worked.
Sit down. Yeah, up. The baton. Pick it up. Pick it up. Do it. Yes.
Meredith.
Hello?
Meredith Scott.
Oh. No. Oh my god.
Kara.
Electric guy! What did I say?
Yes, Josh! Yes.
You can take him, Liam. You can take him. Get angry.
Oh babe, the child, the baby.
He's only a human. We got this.
Oh, shit.
What is the beast?
Uh-oh.
Good question. Stop hurting her. She'll be fine.
Yeah. Okay.
I also believe that a guy in a red suit came down the chimney to deliver presents.
That doesn't
Three
make
people in other men showed up and said that my
Go find her. Go find her.
everywhere.
That's helpful. That's real helpful.
Screw you, Theo.
I don't trust you.
I don't trust you either.
Josh! Shut up! At the same time.
It's working together and it's, yes, not on Theo's terms, on Theo's terms, our terms, helping people work together, yes!
You may not survive.
Oh great, that's great. But that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
Of
You might
course it
save the lives
is.
of your friends.
Okay, Lord Farquaad.
Do it!
Oh no.
The teenager is gone.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
No.
Idea what to do?
Season 2.
I'm coming.
It is
Building like
Stop putting him in slow-mo.
Yeah.
My two favorite
Both of
boys
them
in slow-mo running through the same hall. How dare you? No,
It's a weapon. Your voice is a weapon. Oh, he did.
Oh, mother trucker!
Oh, he did. Look at that eye. It's like falling down.
Oh no! You put it on.
Yeah,
You put it on and you die.
No.
smash through it.
No.
Take out the power.
No.
See, my friends. Here we go.
That's not
All
gonna
right.
work out.
Ram it. Wait, wait, wait.
Whoa!
I think she's a
Hardcore parkour!
well,
I'ma burn it.
through it.
I'ma burn it. It's all gone.
Yeah,
That was handy.
That was easy.
Right out of the wall.
He's a good one to have.
He's burning it right out of the walls. Well, hot damn. Oh! 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 Oh!
Whoa.
That was sick. What is happening? What is happening? I feel bad, Lydia.
Yeah.
I too am like, oh, what's happening? What's happening? Everyone was like, yeah, wait, what? Wait, what? It worked? We can leave now?
They're also like, wait, what?
I'm gonna do a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah! Natalie, cool! Yeah! Take charge! What? What? What?
Why? Why? Why?
Mistletoe.
Oh, my head! Oh, gross! Oh, she's like season 3!
You're the one who can pull her back.
Oh, oh!
Stop seeing.
I'm so sad! Look how happy he is! All in a day's work!
Pay for the windows.
Yeah. That's not my problem.